Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep, and today on this episode I'm going to talk to you about your wheels and tires. Number one, you want to make sure you maintain your tire pressure. The sticker for that will usually be near the front, and in this case these are 80 psi. You're also going to want to inspect them for cracks and wear. And the other most important thing is also you're going to check your lug nuts and torque them at the proper torque as directed. Okay, and so what you'll need for that is your own torque wrench. Bring it along at the correct intervals. Fit them on the lug nuts using your star pattern to check them. Come back here and there, that way. Now, once you're done, you're safe. You're not going to lose any tires while traveling or any wheels while traveling. Now, the other thing for cracking, it's usually caused by UV rays, so it's a good idea to put tire covers on your RV when you're standing. Okay, until then, until next time, happy trails.